welcome to my channel. My name is Signe and the channel is called Sign of Horses. Here's an update on what I've been doing on my little Viking villa house and the rest of life. So suddenly the temperatures went up and the snowy landscape faded away, the ground defrosted, and it feels like spring. And with the temperatures being so kind and having this friendly weather, I took the chance to bring in a bit of a bed, and I slept here for the first time. I spent 2 nights right here in my new house. Good morning. I slept really well, and it's a lovely place to wake up in because I have view right out there outside the window of the other Kota. I can see part of the other Kota and I can see the sunrise. There is a shitload of work to be done still. It is not a home yet. That's all I have to say, really. Yep.
If I had 1,000 tongues, I would sing with everyone. Voices like a mountain song. Sing, you are my only one. Oh my, oh my, oh my days. Life is wonderful. Life is wonderful. Never understood, but life can be this good.
Signe and Merida.
I would launch 1,000 ships just to be about your lips, till the morning sail away. Life can be this good.
What are you still doing out there? Come on in. It's a house. It is really starting to feel like a home now. We got the pellet stove going. It's coming. It's coming. I think I see a little bit of glow on the camera as well. There we go. A little bit of smoke. Come on. Come on. Oh, we have fire! We have fire! Woohoo! Yes, baby! Also been working on the floors. So, working during the day, and then as soon as it's 5 o'clock, running to the house and doing painting as long as the daylight lasts. Welcome to the inside of the Viking villa, which we've been calling the crowsnest lately, which is a very fitting name. Not sure about the name yet. It's a work in progress. I'm in the little corridor now, so on that end is going to be my kitchen bathroom, and on that end is my living room and bedroom. Are you ready for the grand tour? Because a lot has been going on. A lot. Let's go. In the last vlog you saw us put up this wall, and it's cladded on the bathroom side so we could put up the electrics. So the cables that you still see hanging, dangling here, still have to be connected. We'll do that when you put up the kitchen side of this wall. But all along the edge I actually have outlets now. Several outlets, more than one, which is amazing if you've lived on one outlet for the last couple of days. So if I back up and go through here, this is going to be the bathrooms. A little bit dark in here, and I don't know if you can see, very messy, because this has been storage while I was painting the floors, which was a hell of a job. I had a little tantrum drama about what color to paint it, and spent a lot of money getting really good paints, and then spent almost every evening and an entire weekend painting the floors. But look how gorgeous they are. Well, at least I think they turned out really nice. Okay, going to go back through the corridor now. Oh, I did set up a little tiny kitchenette here so I can have coffee and stuff like that. And I'm using the main house for all the other things that I don't have in here, like a bathroom and a toilet and running water, stuff like that. So I'm going in and out the main house, but I'm mainly living here, spending my days here. So we go through the corridor into the main part of the house. I've been bringing in stuff in stages. Started with my bed so I could sleep here, and then I got my little desk so I could work here and actually start drawing again. I've really missed drawing. And today we brought in my little hanging chair, which is a lovely cozy corner to hang out in. There you are. So I hope you'll join me right here on this channel, and together we'll explore more dreams come true and moments where we can really start our Viking and just, you know, grab life by the horns and turn it into something that you want it to be. Something like that. Happy endings to this video, finally. Thank you for all your support and lovely messages over on Instagram and also here in the comments. It's been a journey, and thank you for joining me on this journey. I'm living here with the horses in my own little crow's nest. It's awesome. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Blooper reel. Whoa, camera, what are you doing? Focus, you got this. I know the lighting is difficult in here, but we'll get used to it. Trust me, we can do this. My walls are hydrophobic, very scared of water. I'm going crazy. No, they didn't shut, they shot up. They went up, yeah. Tulips to stay within the Dutch vibe. Oh God, why can't I just make a very clean, simple intro?